Almost 18 months after he revealed his disruptive nanographic presses at Drupa, Benny Landa has revealed an enhanced press with some of the highlights including higher print quality, an inline coater and changes to the design. He also confirmed that the first beta folding carton press wouldn't ship until Q4 2014, with the commercial printing press to follow in the first half of 2015. Quality is now 1200 by 1200 dpi and around 85% of the way to the offset quality that Landa says the machine must reach before it is made commercially available. Feedback from customers has also been incorporated with the addition of an inline coater, while the touchscreen controls have been moved to a new operator cockpit area that is next to the output tray. Our online editor, Paddy McGarrigle, spoke to European Sales Manager Gerry Mulvaney to get the latest.
Obviously, some improvements made to the Landa press, but these come at a price, and that price is the delay, isn't it?
Well, yes, it is a slightly extended development program, but I've been talking to customers in the last 6 or 7 weeks. I've been visiting customers in Europe who have the B1 press on order with us, and the extra developments, the extra features, the improvements in quality, but particularly the redesign of the press with the cockpit area and the new paper feed system is more than makes up for the extension to the program, as far as they're concerned, anyway.
So there's been no problems, no issues with any customers regarding the delay, no?
No, not at all. I'd say unanimously, the people I've spoken to face to face have been very happy with what they've seen. I think everybody understands that this is a major new technological development, and in order to accommodate all the input that we've had from customers over the last 12 months, we've needed a little bit more time to complete the design of the press. We've visited, I think now, 120 customers around the world in 10 different countries, and all of those customers have been able to give us input to what they think the press should look like. We've incorporated that now into the new design, and it's just taken us a few months longer to complete the program.
And obviously another key theme to come out of it as well was the fact that the presses won't be released before they are offset quality, and that's something that Landa are sticking to, isn't it?
Yes, it's an important point for Benny. He's made it several times that until we're actually at offset quality, the press will not be released. In fact, some of the customers who've seen the samples, the latest samples that I've shown them in the visits that I've made, have said to me, actually, that quality is almost good enough for us to sell today. But Benny's clear that until we're well into the realms of offset print quality, the press will not be released.
And obviously the folding carton press is coming first before the commercial print one. Is there any kind of market reason for doing that, or is it purely just a functional thing?
I think there's two reasons. One is that we have a big opportunity there in the folding carton market. There's been very little penetration by digital print engines into folding cartons, despite some work by other manufacturers, and so there's a huge opportunity. We also have quite a large order intake from those customers in the folding carton market. From a technical point of view, it's slightly easier to introduce a press that's not going to perfect. It's only printing on one side, so it makes it slightly easier to use that one as the first beta before we follow up with the perfector press.
And just finally, Gerry, at the recent briefing, cost per page was a recurrent theme, really, and that's what the technology is going to live and die on, isn't it? Really, it's the cost per page.
Yeah, we've got to be in that same offset cost area. Clearly, the cost of digital in longer runs is prohibitive for customers, and that's why they don't use it. The fact that we can reduce significantly the amount of ink that's put onto the printed sheet is a major factor in the cost reduction. But there are a lot of other factors that come in as well, and overall we think that the Landa press is going to be one of the most cost-effective short to medium run large format digital presses in the market.